So you're from up top, eh? I used to work in a laboratory up top. Yeah? Big shampoo job. I was dark grey when we started. Yeah. Still, it cleared up me dandruff.
The World Cup has now become the most popular sporting event in the world. And in two short days, England plays Germany in the final.
Got it, boss.
By 3 o'clock on Sunday,
The
every
ruby?
single television set in
I found it.
Well, technically, Spike, it was Millicent that found it.
Actually, her name's Roddy. And in exchange for my assistance, I was hoping you might... you might help me out of the pickle I'm in.
Hello, Rita.
Hello, handsome.
And who is this? Is your new boyfriend a waiter?
Boyfriend?
Waiter?
The prize returns to me. Did you imagine that I would let you steal it from me?
What? That jewel belongs to my father, and you know it.
Your father? A good-for-nothing scavenger just like his daughter.
Excuse me. Actually, I'm the one that found your ruby. So, you, perhaps you'd be generous enough to repay the favor and help me get home.
Help me!
Dispose of them.
No, please. I just want to get home to Kensington.
Kensington? The royal borough? Up top?
Yes, up top.
Huzzah! A man of quality.
Finally, somebody gets it.
Come, let me show you my private collection. I know you'll find it diverting. My shrine to beauty. Works of high art crafted in tribute to our beloved royal family. Victoria's bust wrought in porcelain.
Classy.
Quite lifelike, wouldn't you say?
It's as if she were here.
Smooth to the touch.
Easy, Tiger.
But come, let us restore the heart and highlight of my collection. This ruby, fallen from the very brow of ancient kings, a true crown jewel. Well, what do you think?
He's a madman! Run away! Run!
Pardon me, my fly's undone.
Well, your ruby certainly is a biggie.
Indeed. How did it ever find me, here in the underbelly of the world, in this dark, low place?
Yes. Speaking of which, I'd love to see more of your collection. It's very amusing, but I do...
Amusing.
Didn't you say I'd find it amusing?
I said you'd find it diverting, not amusing.
Well, when I said amusing, I really meant it in the sense of the ancient Greek muse, the goddess of inspiration. Muse.
Smashing.
Oh, heaven help me.
Ice him! Ice them both!